Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Untitled Chapter, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the big, the massive, the giant news that the Bitcoin has reached its new all-time high. And it's not just reached it, it's not just passed the previous one, it went above quite well, right? So 20,000 was the target to reach and cross it. And now, where are we right now? It's going up very nicely. So let's talk about it. The second thing I should talk about is Ethereum, because if Bitcoin reaching all-time high, then the alts also going to wake up and it can gain very nicely. And you know, Ethereum is the biggest altcoin. And the third news is also very massive because Germany legalizes digitized securities. It's in the new law that this is the way Germany is aiming for. And this is huge because that means things going on blockchain in Germany. And this is massive for the industry. Germany is, you know, the leading economy in Europe. So I think this is very important that they're doing that. So massive news in today's video. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, you see this Bitcoin FOMO is coming very soon now. Now, institutional investors jumped in, you know, even small investors. Wow, so it's going to be big because now Bitcoin is getting into the news. Therefore, it's crucial to subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, because I put videos on YouTube every weekday. So basically here, every weekday, you're getting the freshest, the most important news. If you would like to follow this bull market, the only thing you have to do, really subscribe, then notification bell, and then all, and then you're going to receive the videos as soon as they're on YouTube. And this is crucial because it's time-sensitive content. You can see how fast crypto is moving, how fast is now Bitcoin moving, how volatile it is. There will be several dumps, it's no question. But you know, you have to be aware of it, and you have to know what's happening. But now Bitcoin crypto is mooning, so you have to keep an eye on it if you're interested in it. And blockchainbloom is the place to be. Okay, and definitely hit the like button if you like this content. Let's show YouTube that crypto is important for you, because then you're going to receive crypto videos, and I think this is very important. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like, because this is what we have to talk about. Look, wow. So Bitcoin in the last 24 hours went up 16%, but it was already 19% something. So it was above 23,000. Obviously, it was a pullback a little bit now because it was just gaining so fast. Yesterday, in the video, I showed 19,600, something like that. And look what we're talking about now. Ethereum, also massive gains. You know, it was 590 something, under 600, and now it's 664. When we're looking at the top gainers, we can see XRP is coming back. You do know that it was dropping quite well because many people sold it after the snapshot happened. But obviously, it was an opportunity to buy again. And, you know, there are many XRP fans, so pretty sure that this is going to go up well. Then we have Litecoin 26%, Tweller 17%. Look, very nice gains today. Everything is in green. Let's checking out the losers, which we cannot find. We have here stable coins. That's it, right? Stable coins and no other. So let's talk about Bitcoin. I think it's great. So Bitcoin price hits 23K, as I said. So even it's under it. It was about 23K. As on-chain analyst says, 55K is the next landmark, 55K. And basically in September, we have talked about 10K. So this is how fast this thing moving. The next target, we're not talking about all-time high anymore. It's done. We did it yesterday, okay? So now new targets are out there. And meanwhile, on-chain analysis Willy Woo now is saying that actually 100,000 target is ridiculously low target. This is also very interesting because I think many people will be very happy when Bitcoin is reaching between 55, 100,000. This is a massive gain. And for the new all-time high, according to him, 100,000 is ridiculously low. Okay, what else we can see? Exchange heat map shows now visible resistance level and areas with large sell orders above 22,000. In the short term, this means the probability of Bitcoin continuing its rally is high. So right now it looks like that the probability that this rally now is going rather upwards than downwards, it's pretty good. 100K is ridiculously low target at the current trajectory, as I said, according to Willy Vu. 55K is the next landmark. Bitcoin becomes an 1 trillion macro asset bucket. And this is, crucial because, let's check it out. Look, the market cap is right now $420 billion. Yesterday, we just talked about 300 and something. So it's going to be soon a $1 trillion market cap. And Vu emphasized that 55,000 as a milestone price for Bitcoin because it would mean Bitcoin would have hit 10% of gold's market cap. So the reason why he picked this 55,000, that would mean that it's 10% of gold. So that's the reason for the number. Currently, gold's valuation is estimated to be around 9 trillion. About 50K, Bitcoin would begin eating up a relatively large portion of the market cap of gold, which remains the dominant safe haven asset. Because, now the new safe haven could be Bitcoin. It's the kind of digital gold, as they refer to it. And with above 50,000, it will be already 10% of gold's market cap. Exchange order books and volume trends also show that trade have moved their sell orders higher, expecting Bitcoin to rise to 30,000 after 20,000 was finally breached yesterday. So now they see that the sell orders actually moving higher. So people are very optimistic now. They don't want to sell Bitcoin at 20-something. They're rather aiming for a bigger one. Therefore, 30,000 is totally possible. Let's move on to the next one. Bitcoin is seeing a new kind of flipping above 20,000 as its original whales keep selling their coins to the bigger institutional buyers. And look here, you can actually see that all exchange inflows hits the 9-month high since March, great sell-off. So there's a lot of selling, but interestingly, it's not changing the price because now we have institutions in the game, the big guys. And data from on-chain analysis service CryptoQuant shows that despite long-term investors rushing offload Bitcoin at a profit, buyer demand is still outpacing them. No, they cannot actually sell it in a way that it goes down the price. Now they heavily buying. And interestingly, analyst says that Bitcoin whales small compared to the new buyers. So those who used to be Bitcoin whales are looking now small because the new buyers actually giant whales now, the institutional investors. With the Bitcoin USD continuing to explore new the original whales are beginning to look like plankton as institutions line up to buy en masse. New highs, probably. It's a misspelling here. So yes, this is also very interesting. Whales changing. The whales getting bigger. The whales are now different. And even the old whales kind of selling. Now even the bigger ones, they buying. And the flow have only just begun. This is a very key thing. And looking at here, Bitcoin, this is bitcointreasury.org, so you can see actually how the money goes into Bitcoin from different kind of institutions. And look, we had MicroStrategy as here, a big one. But look, here is now a rougher investment company invested now in November, basically 744 million into Bitcoin, which is today's value with this nice increase. It's already over 1 billion. But look, MicroStrategy investment is almost reaching 1 billion. So it's crazy, and they invested 475 million in it. This investment for Ruffer was just now in November. Grayscale is killing the game, 12 billion in Bitcoin. And this number, if you remember, a couple of days ago, last week, I talked about it, and this was 15 billion in Bitcoin, and now it's 18 billion. Massive, massive gain. Yeah, well, if you're looking at here the gains, look, this chart, it's where Bitcoin reached its all-time high back in 2017, January, okay? So it peaked once, and then it was a bear market, as it was now, and then when it came back to all-time high, look, it was here. And then, look what's happening. So, where is it? This was this all-time high. And okay, there was a correction. And then, look, it went higher, little correction. Next step, and basically, look at this. This is 3 times its all-time high already in summer of 2017. So half a year later, it was 3 times its all-time high. And then, look, 5 times its all-time high in September of the same year. And then no question what happened. I just maybe moved a bit fast because here it's a 7 times all-time high compared to the previous all-time high, I mean. And then look, around 20,000, which was now the all-time. So it's when it reached it, basically in a year, it was in January, and in a year, Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high. It was about close to 20,000, and it was 20 times as the one we had before. And then we're looking at the chart like this. So we again reached all-time high, just like back then, when, well, it's so small you cannot even see it. Look, where is it? Is it here? Is it? It's yeah, well, I cannot really find it. I mean, around here, right? So it's somewhere here, and where it went. So now we are in the same level, even above it, and then now the rally going to start. So exciting times, definitely. And the second thing I want to talk about is Ether. As Ether hits 2020 high, as Bitcoin tops 22K, so it already did it. And, when Bitcoin reaching all-time high, after then, the altcoins are really going to kill it. They are the ones we actually going up really, really big gains. And the biggest one, according to the market cap, is Ethereum. And look, when we're looking at Ethereum, it's crazy. Look, where is Ethereum all-time high? Ethereum all-time high, it's around here. Look, it's around 1,500-ish, something like that, a bit below it. And right now, like Bitcoin has passed its all-time high now confidently. We still have Ethereum here. What's that? Is it where is it? I mean, down here. Yeah, it's a minus 55% compared to its all-time high. So if Ethereum more than doubles from here, then it will be all-time high, and then the gains will start. So huge potential in Ethereum, and this is one what I would like to emphasize. Look at the huge differences. Back in 2017, in end of November, we had unique addresses 12.5 million in Ethereum. What we have now, 128 million. What a difference. Look, 24 hours transaction count doubles. This is huge. 24 hours average fee from 166,000 to 2.6 million US dollar. I don't want to read out all of them, but look, locked in DeFi, US dollar, back in 2017, 10 million, now 15 billion. We're talking about three years difference here. What big things happening, in this year, DeFi is huge, and Ethereum, it's basically in a way DeFi that it's based on DeFi, Ethereum platform, And look here, already locked in Ethereum 2 staking. Obviously, it was zero back then. Now it's 860 million. In Ethereum, you have locked in 1.5 million ETH. And also, which is a different thing, coins on Ethereum, stablecoins on Ethereum, it was zero. And now it's 17 billion. So how big is that? There are massive changes, gains. So this is why Ethereum also looks very bullish and not even close to all-time high. Okay, third news. And it's also big because Germany legalized digitized securities. Europe's largest economy is looking to pave the way for securities trading on blockchain. So they welcome really blockchain technology. Don't forget, Germany is supporting Bitcoin. If you hold Bitcoin for a year in Germany, you don't have to pay tax after it. So how is that? In many other countries, you cannot see that. And now, look, here, per Reuters report from Wednesday, Merkel's cabinet had passed a new law that will end the requirement to have paper certificates for sale of security, overtly looking to advance blockchain trading within the country. German Finance Minister Olaf Scholz reportedly said the paper certificate may be there to some for nostalgic reasons, but the future belongs to its electronic version. It's no question. The finance minister called the shift to all electronic securities a component of its broader blockchain strategy. They are getting big on blockchain, but not just them, many other countries. And blockchain technology is huge. And don't forget, blockchain technology, the whole thing it started was really Bitcoin back in 2009. But really, this is just the cryptocurrency part. This is the one we are excited right now, because this is now new all-time high and everything. But this is just a tiny small part of it. The blockchain industry is much bigger than cryptocurrency. And, you have to take serious that as well. So there are tremendous opportunities in blockchain and crypto, and you therefore really have to understand it. Therefore, I strongly suggest you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, because every weekday I'm bringing you here the freshest blockchain and cryptocurrency news, right? Now the bull market has started. Now you have to really pay attention and don't miss a single day. Don't miss information. So always watch these videos and other YouTubers. I encourage you to do it. Read articles. Knowledge is the key, right? And also educate yourself. We have our totally free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, right? So if you're a newcomer, definitely download that, totally free. The link is under this video. But also, you have to understand Bitcoin and blockchain. You can see how big it is. You don't know the fundamentals of it, then we have a course for you. It's really a bargain. Compare what it gives to you, the knowledge, so you can confidently know why you would like to buy Bitcoin and why it has a future, why blockchain has a future. The link is also under this video. So guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow, obviously, I'm coming back with a new video and with the freshest blockchain and cryptocurrency news. If you like this content, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important that you get the videos as soon as they're on YouTube. And I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.